Question number 4 of 13.2 exercise. If a box of sweet is divided among 24 children, they will get 5 sweet each, means each children will get 5 sweets. So 24 children into 5, so number of sweet you will get. Now how many would each get if the number of children is reduced by 4? Means 24 is there but it is reduced by 4, means now it will be 20. So number of children each get sweet. So number of children and each get sweet we want to compare. So 24 children each will get 5 sweets. ठीक है. Now they say reduce by 4, means 24 minus 4 children. So the total number of students now it will be 20. So children reduce, then each will get more chocolate. Okay, so X chocolate. So A, B, C and D. So it is inverse proportion. So D is equal to A into B upon C, means X is equal to 24 multiplied by 5 divided by 20. So 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja, 20. Now again possible by 4, 1 ja, 4 6 ja. So 6 sweets each child gets. Okay. Similar questions. Question number 5. Question 5. A farmer is there. A farmer has enough food to feed 20 animals in his cattle for 6 days. How long would the food last if there were 10 more animals in his cattle? So we know that a farmer is there and number of cattle. So number of cattle and food for days. So number of cattle and food for days. So number of cattle 20 animals. So it will last for 6 days. Then he said 10 more animals were added to it. More animals. So 20 plus 10. So total animals will be 30. So 30 animals. So animal increase, number of animal increase. Now the days will decrease because less days they will be getting food. So A by C and D. So inverse proportion. So D is equal to A into B by C, that is X is equal to 20 into 6 days divided by 30 animals. 0 0 get cancelled, 3 1s and 3 2s. So 2 into 2 means 4 days. So 30 animals will get food for 4 days. Okay, 30 animals will get food for 4 days. Clear, friends? Next question. Question 6. A contractor estimated that 3 persons could rewire Jasminder's house in 4 days. If he uses 4 persons instead of 3, how long would they take to complete the job? Here there is rewiring work is to be done in Jasminder's house and that is to be completed in 4 days. So 3 persons can complete that work in 4 days. But he uses 4% instead of 3%, means person increases and the time will taken will be less. So persons means number of and days time taken. So 3 person 4 days. So 4 person if he says he want to take, then obviously number of person increases, the time taken to do the job is decreasing. So it is inverse proportion. Now you are familiar with it. So x is equal to 3 into 4 by 4 members. So it will take 3 days to complete rewiring. Okay, to rewire Jasminder's house, 3 days. Next question. Question 7. A batch of bottles were packed in 25 boxes and each box with 12 bottles in each box. So 25 boxes and in each box 12 bottles are packed. If the same lot, whatever the number of bottles is, packed using 20 bottles in each box. Now the in each box 20 bottles they are keeping. So we know that how many boxes will be there. So number of bottles in each box and number of boxes. So number of bottle in each box will be 12 bottles, then it 25 boxes required. But if they say the number of bottle increased in one box, so 20 they are saying. So bottle increased, now the requirement of boxes will be less x boxes. So obviously you know that it is inverse proportion, and in inverse proportion D is equal to A into B by C. Same way x is equal to 12 bottles into 25 boxes divided by 20 bottles. So now you can cut it out. Both are possible in the table of 5. 5 5s are 5 4s are 20. Now possible 12 and 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So 3 into 5 means 15 boxes. How many boxes required? 1 5 15. Okay, 15 boxes are required to fill the same lot. Hope so this much clear to you all.